Exercise number 15. Use list comprehension method to create a new list based on existing list, with some predefined conditions. Before discussing list comprehension method for list creation, I would like to show you the normal way of making a new list from an existing one. Here, I have a list of numbers. I want to make a new list with numbers lesser than 8. I can do it by making a loop with a condition to make a list of numbers lesser than 8. Print to find the required list of numbers. The same task can be performed using list comprehension method with much ease. It provides a shorter syntax to create new list based on an existing list. X for X in the existing list with numbers lesser than 8. That's it. No need to provide loops or formal if statements with colon and indentation. You write the code in easy to understand phrase. Print to find the same output. If you want to calculate the sum of all numbers in the list, it is very easy as well with the list comprehension method. We use this operator in Python 3.8 and onwards for reducing the outcome of list to single result. Print to get the sum. Similarly, you can easily calculate the value by multiplying all the elements of the list. Just replace plus sign with multiplication and 0 with 1. Here, I have a list of colors. I will show you some string operation using list comprehension method. Use string upper command to change all the letters to uppercase. All letters have been changed to uppercase. Yellow for all elements in the list will replace all colors with yellow color. I want to check if the list contains blue color. It will create Boolean values for each element of the list. It will turn true for element that is blue, otherwise show false. You can apply if condition to filter out elements of list if that contain a particular alphabet. For example, I want to search the list for elements containing letter Y. Yellow color is filtered out. If I want to replace a particular element with a new element, you can easily do it using this code. Here I want to replace color blue with black. Black has replaced the blue color. Code shows that if X is not blue color, then black color to be provided.